Okay, we've just started our holiday. Say hi.
Hi.
We have come to Calgary. We've just gotten in and we're very, very, very tired. We just went to Canadian Superstore and picked up some groceries. We've just rocked up to the house, so we'll give you a quick walkthrough to show you what it all looks like. And then we're probably just going to chill for the rest of the day. So, we've got our car hire, which we'll show you later on. That's in there. This is a little back garden with a Weber barbecue. Step into the back door. A little area for like your coats. It is meant to be snowing tomorrow and the next day, isn't it? Got a powder room. Then we got the dining room into the kitchen. And then a beautiful lounge area. And then the front door with a cloakroom.
Yeah.
Okay, now shall we go upstairs to your room? Okay. All right, now this is upstairs. Marley had selection from 2 rooms. She's picked this room. This beautiful room is going to be hers for the next 3 weeks. Yes, we're going to start unpacking our bags.
One bit, you
Yes.
don't know what hop. You don't know who Hop is.
No.
Hop is one Teddy.
Yeah, she's a Teddy since she was a wee baby.
Yes.
She has her own TV.
Yes.
Then there's a spare bedroom, so if Lily doesn't want to sleep in the basement, she then also has a bedroom up here with us with a beautiful family bathroom
Yeah.
with a bath shower, which we love this design.
Yeah. No one.
We got 2 giant washer dryers.
So big.
Then you have the master bedroom, which is our room is a king. And then we have our ensuite with a very big shower.
Yes.
Yes. And a big walk-in robe, which is perfect. Now up here, across the road, they have a community greenhouse, which is there, which I think is a really cool idea. The community gets together and they learn how to plant all their fruit and veg, and everyone can just help themselves, sort of thing. And then there's a little park down there. Then just around the corner, there's an actual playground park too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Now we will go down to the basement.
Yes.
Lovely sound effect. Then I've got to unpack all these groceries.
Welcome to my little basement.
Yes. Lily's little cove.
So over here I got my little desk.
Yep, she has a
And
desk.
it can lift up and down.
Yeah.
And then over here I have to unpack. Over here I got my
I'm going to turn this into the games room. We brought the Switch with us so we could set that up. They have a little gaming area.
Yeah. Then over here. Not up on this floor.
No, that's just like for the hot water system and stuff like that. Just boring house stuff that no one needs to go into.
Then over here I got my own little bathroom.
Yes, she has her own bathroom with another shower bath.
I got my own body lotion.
Oh.
I'm very excited.
Right.
Then over here is my own room.
Look at this.
Why you have rubbish? Shit.
Eh?
Then over here I got my wardrobe.
A double door wardrobe,
It's really
which is huge. Oh my god. So big.
Then I got my own little TV.
So we love it, don't we?
Yeah.
Yes! We are very, 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 very tired. So we are probably done with filming
For today.
today. We're all going to go have a shower. Marley's shutting the door on us. We're going to go have a shower and bath and just put on our pajamas and relax. Thank you, Lily. And then tomorrow we're going to go to the thrift stores because we didn't bring any like real big jackets or anything like that, or snow pants. So we're just going to buy all that stuff here. Yeah, all right. We'll see you tomorrow.
See ya.
Okay, so we didn't end up actually doing much today. We didn't end up taking the camera with us. We just went shopping. What did we do first? Went to one thrift store. It wasn't very good and quite overpriced, I think, because it was more like a boutique style thrift store. Then around the corner there was a Dollarama. We got a whole bunch of stuff there. I really, really missed Dollarama store. So that was good. Then we drove to Iron Mall or something. I've forgotten what it was called now. It was a shopping mall anyway. Went there and we went to Mountain. Oh, 1 minute. So we went to Mountain Warehouse and we got some snow boots for Dom. Got myself. Oh, I'm just over here trying to cook. Hang on a sec. But yeah, so we just went to Mountain Warehouse. And we had to go get Dom some snow boots. I got myself a new jacket. Dom got a jacket. And we got Marley a new jacket. So that was good. They had like 50% off the whole store. Then we went to Dollarama again there. Just got like shower caps and bits and bobs that we needed. Then we went to Winners. I got some perfume. And some face wash. We then left there and drove to Walmart at Shawnessy. That's where we used to live, in Bridlewood. So it was very weird going back to our old stomping ground and a little bit sad. And yeah, we just went in there and got the groceries and had a look around Walmart. And we got home about 5 o'clock. That took us all day. We just got a little bit distracted and caught up in it all. We're at this beautiful Airbnb, which we love, but the fire alarm just kept beeping. The batteries needed to be changed. So the owner has just been round and he's just changed the battery. And now it stopped beeping, so that's good. And Dom is outside barbecuing the chicken. It's been quite cold today. It was supposed to snow, but it didn't end up. But yeah, I'll go outside. See Dom having to put up with the cold.
Yes.
Really enjoying it.
No, it's horrible.
Hey? With your no shoes on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think that helps. It's just cold.
Yeah. Oh, chicken's looking good though.
Yeah.
I don't know how much that house is. It's up the south. The kids are downstairs in the basement.
Quiet.
Yeah. Alright. I'm going back to the warmth now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so this is my new jacket. And this is Dom's new jacket. And Dom's snow boots. Got this cute little welcome bunny sign. I'm now just hoping that it can fit in the suitcase. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. We don't have much planned this whole holiday. It's just sort of see how we go. What do we feel like on the day? We do have one thing planned, which is we're going to go watch an ice hockey game. I think that's on the 12th of April. Not this weekend, next weekend. It's Easter. So we'll be having the Easter Bunny coming to our house. So the kids are very excited. We bought their Easter collection baskets today. So yeah, I'm not too sure what we're doing tomorrow. Dom and I will discuss that And if it's something fun or interesting, we'll definitely take the camera along. But yeah, stay tuned and we shall see. Okay, so the girls are having a sleepover downstairs. Let's go have a look. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Can I enter?
Yeah.
Hmm?
I was wake up
Yeah.
vampire.
You wake up a vampire.
No, I was watching that movie.
Oh. Good job. You guys having fun? Yeah?
These are hot.
Look at them with their bags of lollies.
These are hot.
Yeah.
This Bella.
Bobby.
Bella. Bella.
Bella.
Right now her name is Bella.
Oh, okay. I thought you called her Bobby after your real polar bear.
No, cup.
Yeah.
One of her cups.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's good. Oh, it feels a bit hot. Do you guys feel a bit hot?
Yeah.
Change that. All right. You guys have fun.
Yeah. No.
Yeah. Ah, she's chasing me. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Is this how this is? Oh, goodbye. Rude. You be careful going down there. Butt shuffle down there. Hmm? Okay, so today we are off to Irvine's. It's a country western store north of Calgary. We've never been there before. My sister, Beck, she loved it and she's the one that recommended for us to go there. So we're going to go head there today because my sister's getting married this year. So my girls, they're going to be a part of the bridal party. So we need to get some cowgirl boots for them for the wedding. And then we're off to Bass Pro Store. So we've never been there either. When we lived here, it was COVID, so we never got to go. It was very hard to do a lot of things. So we're looking forward to that. Now we're meant to be getting snow tonight, 5 to 7 centimeters, so we'll see. But if so, we would like to get a sled because we would like to go to the parks and go sledding, which is always fun. And then we went to Walmart yesterday. We couldn't find any sleds because winter's over here. So they're all just sold out. So I went on Bass Pro Store last night and apparently they still have some in stock. So we're going to go and have a look there and hopefully we can find one. Just trying to pack up a bag full of snacks because I have a feeling it's going to be all day. Dom's at the gym at the moment, so he should be home any minute now. So yeah, we'll see how things go. The kids are all dressed and ready. Lily's just having her breakfast at the moment. Oh, there she is.
Hi.
Hi. But yeah, that's about it, isn't it? Not much else to say. They had this sleepover last night down in the basement. You have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
She's very talkative this morning, so that's good. Oh, speak of the devil.
Hey, what's up, losers?
And that's how he talks to us. Hey, what's up, losers?
Yeah.
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 We're filming.
Oh. Hey.
All right, we'll see you there. Just at Canadian Superstore.
Look. Hey.
Canadian Tire, I mean. Just picked up a nice sled. And got some things for my nephew. I'm going to get him a slingshot.
if you can get back in.
I think so. And some refills. We just got stuck in a massive blizzard because we were meant to go to Irvine's, and yeah, I'll put up a little video over here so you can see what that was like, because that was mental. So we decided to turn back around, so we're going to stay local today. Alright, we're at our old stomping ground. This is Shawnessy. Yeah, we just did some shopping.
We're tired.
Yeah, then Marley's tired. We're still a bit jet lagged. Woke up at 2:30 again.
I was all forced waking up.
Yeah, Marley woke us up. It is hard seeing everything again. Over there's Winners, which we loved. CIBC, that's why we signed up.
I hear that. I hear
And we're gonna have to give away the hair as well. Do you know where we are, girls? This is our old street. No, this is your school.
at 100. Holly, I put it too close to you.
Oh, it didn't have a 342.
I'll go back to school and then we'll come back to school. I was telling you
Not playing on This is photograph running. Wait, with me.
I think it's further up. There it is. He's pulling. That's our old house. Yeah, 342. Yeah. And that was your room up there on the top left. And that's where you saw Santa's shoe print. And there's a park. Yeah. Yeah. I stole the child.
It looks hard.
venturing in at Fish Creek. Go for a bit of a walk. Okay. It's very different.
Yeah. Maybe I'll try the other ones. 2 came up. And I was like,
Okay. Yeah, this one doesn't look as scenic.
yeah, because I wanted to go through there, but obviously it's closed.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it does too.
I'm guessing this is on Fish Creek once we're here still.
Yeah.
Over here.
Uh-oh. Your hand's cold?
Oh, that's not too bad. I think it'll get colder if I like don't eat heaps.
Yeah.
Oh, here they come again.
Oh my god. Oh. There's a woodpecker. Up there, honey, is black and white. Come on. Now he's gone shy. Oh my god.
I do it.
You see it? How cool's that?
Maybe it's the baby.
Oh yeah, oh! That is so cool.
Two there now.
Little woodpeckers. That's really cool.
Maybe it's the baby, yeah?
Yeah, possibly.
Because them wasn't really big.
Yeah.
Them actual.
Me neither.